Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel American Express card, complete guide step by step. To begin the cancellation process for your American Express card, gather your account information. Ensure that your balance is paid in full before proceeding. Log into your American Express online account. Navigate to the Account Services section on the main menu. Look for the option that says Close Account or Cancel Card. Review the information presented about closing your account. Read any potential fees or impacts on your credit score. Select the option to confirm that you wish to close your account. Follow any additional prompts provided by the website. If you prefer to speak with someone, call the customer service number on the back of your card. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing your personal information. Clearly state that you want to cancel your American Express card. Ask about any remaining rewards points and whether they will be forfeited upon cancellation. Request a confirmation of the account cancellation via email. Once your cancellation is confirmed, check your account for the final statement. Ensure that there are no outstanding charges or fees before your account is officially closed. Keep any cancellation confirmation for your records. Congratulations, you've successfully canceled your American Express card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.